Welcome to the January 2013 issue of NDT.net. First of all, wishing all of you a very happy New Year 2013. In this first issue of 2013, we are starting broadcasting a summarize the content of each new issue. I am Mike from ASNT, and I hope you will like my computerized text-to-speech voice. This NDT podcast series introduces each published news, as well articles or proceedings. Indonesian refinery increases inspection productivity with GE's USM Vision, significant advantages over X-ray. By replacing conventional X-ray inspection of pipework but welded joints with ultrasonic inspection, using the new USM Vision, from the inspection technologies business of GE Measurement and Control, the Plujur refinery in Sumatra has been able to increase inspection efficiency by 67%. Taiwan to use Phoenix scanner for turbine testing. Type Power, the Taiwan power company, has taken delivery of a new inspection system for steam turbine bores from Zetec in Canada and Phoenix Inspection Systems in the UK. Phoenix has supplied the Boresonic scanner based on its popular turbine shaft inspection system, which is used by leading operators in plants throughout the world. Olympus-NDT, a world leader in non-destructive testing technologies, is pleased to introduce the Magna-Mike 8600 Hall effect thickness gauge. This unique instrument is a portable thickness gauge that utilizes a simple magnetic method to make reliable thickness measurements on non-ferrous materials. Olympus-NDT is pleased to announce its patent filing on a new method of measuring lead concentrations in a multilayer coating without the liabilities of radioactive isotopes. Olympus-NDT is pleased to introduce the Industrial Tech Guide app for Android smartphones. Available for download on Google Play, this free Olympus mobile application contains two knowledge-based sections designed for technicians performing ultrasonic flaw detection and X-ray fluorescence inspections. Cygnus Instruments, the leading manufacturer of multiple echo ultrasonic thickness gauges, has successfully introduced the Cygnus Dive, the newest mounted underwater thickness gauge for diver use in subsea metal thickness inspections. Following the launch early this year, Cygnus Dive has had a fantastic reception from divers and topside inspection engineers. SERVO-ROBOT has launched Wiki-SCAN, a unique handheld laser-based welding inspection system. To inspect the part, the inspector simply holds the system up to the unwelded or welded joint and presses the trigger to take measurements and determine if there are any defects present. Technical Toolboxes is now offering technical training toolboxes online computer-based training, thus facilitating an increased scope and availability of training to engineers, managers, and technicians. The training is time-independent and navigation-free, allowing the user flexibility to investigate disciplines of interest. Despite the difficulties caused by Hurricane Sandy, many people still managed to come and see technology design at this year's ASNT event in Orlando. Once again, the visitors were amazed with the HandyScan RX, the PS45 Pocket Scan, and the new software version containing several new features, making the units even more flexible than before. A system that uses ultrasound technology to look inside car engines could lead to more efficient engines and huge fuel savings for motorists. In the University of Sheffield's Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rob Dwyer-Joyce, professor of lubrication engineering, has devised a method of using ultrasound to measure how efficiently an engine's pistons are moving up and down inside their cylinders. The Sheffield team are measuring the lubricant film by transmitting ultrasonic pulses through the cylinder wall from sensors attached to the outside. A new issue of the ZFP magazine has been published by the German Society for Non-Destructive Testing. The magazine appears as printed version and as PDF version, which can be downloaded for free from the NDT.net or the GZFP website. Do not miss the abstract submission deadline till the 30th of January 2013 for Singapore International NDT Conference and Exhibition. This event takes place from 19th to the 20th of July 2013 in Singapore and is hosted by the Singapore NDT Society. Another conference that takes place in Singapore is the 5th International Symposium on NDT in Aerospace, from 13 until the 15th of November 2013. Already on the journey to this event, people can visit also the Asia Pacific Conference on NDT in Mumbai from 18 until the 22nd of November. That means catching two important NDT events on one flight to the Asia region. Another conference that cooperates with NDT.net in relation to open access is the International Workshop on Smart Materials and Structures, SHM, and NDT, for the energy industry in conjunction with the NDT in Canada 2013 conference, October 7 until 10, 2013, Calgary, Alberta, Canada. These and other conferences using NDT.net's Conference Management Cloud, CMC, the online project management tool for authors and editors of conferences. In this month's issue, we publish articles of individual authors in the field of ultrasonic testing. We are pleased to present a series of articles from Ed Ginzel, who gives us insights into propagation of ultrasonic waves by photoelastic visulation videos. Please visit NDT.net to read the full news and articles of this January 2013 issue. Thank you.